We are at Unit 506 of the Richmond building. We're going to show you how to assemble this transformer couch to make a bed. So you got to make some room here. And you have the cushions. And there's a metal bracket right here that you'll remove. And then the sections will come apart. And you can put that metal bracket right here until it clips. You remove the backrest, put it there. And that's it. And that's your bed.